That is one of my apple trees which I grafted with 42 different varieties. Most of them they have grown. The graftings which I did this year in the month of May, out of those all, only two which have not been successful. All other varieties they were grafted last year. They have grown. Some of them they have quite nice fruit. That fruit is on the graftings which were done last year. It has lot of apples. That one is Worcester. It has grown but hasn't come up with any fruit, although it was grafted last year. That is a Pitmoston pineapple that has grown. That is a Red Love Era that has grown. That is the grafting giant, and you can see a bit of growth at the end. Next to it, that is St. Edmunds Pippin. That is the grafting giant, and it has put up some growth. That is James Grieve. It had 3 apples. One is still hanging. The other 2, they are on the ground. On the same branch, I had grafted 2 more varieties. That is one of them. It is called Katie. That has grown, and the one which I grafted above it, that is called Rosette. That has not grown, but luckily I have that variety grafted on another apple tree in my garden, and it has taken off. So at least I can take a bit of cutting from that one and do the grafting again. These are few varieties which were grafted last year. That is Kids Orange Red, Baker's Delicious, and Cox Pippin Orange. Kids Orange, that has put up quite a lot of growth, but this year hasn't produced any fruit on it. Next to it, Cox Pippin Orange, that was grafted last year, and it has some fruit on it. That cluster is Cox Pippin orange variety. Those are varieties Winter King and Orlean Renette, which were grafted last year. Both of them didn't fruit, but they have quite long growth. That is Winter King. It has grown about more than a meter, and almost the same growth is on Orlean Renette, but no fruit. On this branch I had put 3 different grafts. That's 1. Ashmead kernel, that is 2. And suntan, that is 3. And all those, they have been successful. They have come up with some growth. So that is a very good sign. Just on one of the other branch, that is the Miller's seedling, and it has come up with about 12-13 inch growth. That is a red bush scoop. It has grown about a meter or so, but no fruit this year. And just closer to that one, that is a Lord Lambourne. That has grown about a meter long. It was grafted last year. No fruit this year. If we come on this side, that is the variety. I don't have the name of the variety, but it is a quite nice one. It has about 7 or 8 apples, nice beautiful apples, and next to it a bit of growth on newly grafted May Queen variety. I had reduced the size of Discovery so that it gives the chance for other grafts to grow. That is a Pink Lady that has put up quite a lot of growth. Next to it is a Spartan variety. It has grown about 2 feet, but no fruit at all. I left one branch untouched, only reduced the size of it, and because that is an old graft which had grown. It was done a few years back, and it has a lot of fruit hanging on it. But on the second branch I put up some grafts. One of them is Devonshire Quarundum. That has grown. Above it there are 2 varieties on this branch. One of them is Reverend Wilkes and the other one is Margill. Reverend Wilkes, it has grown, has few leaves, but Margill, it has come up with quite a long shoot which has grown about 14-15 inch. the branch next to it, which goes onto my neighbor's summer house. That is Sterner Pippin and Lexton Epicure. They both have grown, and they are in good health and shape. When I cut the fruit off that branch, then their growth will accelerate. So out of all these grafts, which has taken the number to 42, I have done about 19 in the month of May, and out of those 19s, 2 varieties, one which I brought from Rotherham from a family member. I am not sure about the name of the variety, but it produces very beautiful apples. And the other one, which didn't take, is called Rosette. So these 2 varieties haven't grown. Rest of them, they have grown, they have been successful, and hopefully most of them which were grafted last year or this year, I am expecting that they will provide some fruit next year. Thanks for watching.